seems like there's quite a few people who agree with you, because all these people ordered coin cowboy hats from coinringmaker.com. If you guys want to see me making them, you can tap the comment right here and check it out. This is like my 4th TikTok video that's got over 1 million views, and that's pretty cool. But it's getting to the point where my TikTok account is getting quiet again. Like, when a video is blowing up, you got a lot going on. You got a lot of comments to respond to, and you're getting all these likes, and it's pretty cool. But there's definitely this like eerie silence that happens after a video is no longer viral. If any other creators know what I'm talking about, you know, just let me know I'm not the only one who kind of feels this in the comments. But on a lighter note, I've had a really exhausting week making all these coin cowboy hats for you guys, and they're finally all in the mail and on the way to you. If you did not get one because I had a technical error on my website, you can go back to coinringmaker.com and use the coupon code WELCOME. It's just the word WELCOME, and that's going to save you 10% off your whole order. And you know, I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys how ridiculous TikTok is. Blowing up small businesses when it actually works. It's pretty cool. So thank you for supporting my small business. And I still have, no, that's all the packages. That was a bunch, huh? So thanks, TikTok. Thanks for, you know, liking my stuff and blowing my video up. And I hope y'all have a great morning. Bye. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I make coin rings live on TikTok here all the time. So if you guys want to see me make stuff live, give me a follow and catch my next live. Making coin rings, coin cowboy hats, cool stuff out of coins. And if you're interested in that, follow me. Like this video if you think I'm a cool dude. All right, y'all have a good day. Bye.